Hello there. Today we're chatting about the top 6 products and what you should keep in mind before snagging one. Dive into the description for all the juicy details and the latest pricing. Philips Norelco Series 3000. The Bodygroom, your 3000 series is a shaver that aims to trim and shave all body hair below the neck. It sounds like the ideal manscaping tool, according to Philips. The US BG3010 comes with the back reacher attachment and one trimmer comb, and the UK BG3010 comes with one trimmer comb, while the BG3010 EU model comes with X3 trimmer combs and no back reacher attachment. It is shaped well enough to fit in the hand quite snugly, and the slimmer top head section seems to be designed well, removing any possible bulkiness. On the one hand, the double trimmer cutters are great with a comb attachment attached, as they make it easier to plow through hair using the trimmer while shaving backward and forward when the chest area looks like a jungle. The battery lasts around 50 minutes after fully charging, which is fine. But a better, higher-priced model like the 7000 series provides 80 minutes of runtime. The cost of the 3000 series makes it a body groomer worth trying out as a first-time body groomer buy or a budget buy. It would likely be junk if it is cheaper than the cost of this shaver trimmer. MERIDIAN. The MERIDIAN Original Ball Trimmer for men, the ultimate grooming solution designed specifically for the modern man. This body hair trimmer ensures a smooth and precise shave, making it the ideal ball shaver for men. Engineered with precision and care, our Pubic Hair Trimmer provides a safe and efficient grooming experience, leaving you with confidence and comfort. Prepared for versatility, this body shaver for men is not just limited to ball trimming, it's a comprehensive body trimmer that caters to all your grooming needs. The ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while the high-quality materials guarantee durability. Embrace a clean and well-groomed look with our body groomer for men, enhancing your manscape effortlessly. Experience the confidence that comes with a perfectly groomed body thanks to MERIDIAN Sage. Elevate your grooming routine with our trusted body trimmer, the epitome of precision and style. It's time to redefine your grooming experience with MERIDIAN. MicroTouch SOLO. MicroTouch SOLO Titanium is a handheld, compact razor that's been designed to shave, trim, edge, and groom the face, the neck, and the entire body. Each one has been outfitted with titanium-covered stainless steel blades that are safe to the touch and an LED light to help you see while you're shaving or grooming. This razor also has a flexible head that will pivot up or down and comes with 3 interchangeable attachments to suit 3 different hair length preferences. If you want to use this razor to shave your face, it's a good idea to add one of the 3 included attachments, but to shave your body, it's best to go attachment-free. To add your chosen attachment, leave the razor off for the time being and slide the extension over the blade. For the cleanest shave possible, use the 1mm attachment. But to leave your hair a bit longer, use the 3mm or 5mm one. When your razor is turned on and running, you can shave your facial hair, sideburns, neck, and virtually any other area of your body that contains hair. The handle of each MicroTouch SOLO Titanium has been designed to resist slipping out of either of your hands as you're using it to shave, trim, groom, or edge your facial or body hair. The fact that the blade of each of these razors is safe to touch, even while the device is powered on, makes it a great choice for novice shavers, such as teenage boys. Although this razor has been designed with men in mind, there's no reason that a woman can't use it. A man and a woman in a partnership may even want to share one razor between them when it comes to shaving body hair. Nonetheless, no one of either gender should use this type of razor to shave their whole head, since the hair on the head may be too thick for the blade to accommodate. Gillette Intimate. Many groin-specific groomers out there are all about shaving, which is fine if that's what you're going for. This trimmer, however, provides you with way more options. There are multiple length options thanks to the removable guard and another guard to help protect your skin from getting a closer shave. The blades itself are places closer than others to help prevent nicks and cuts on your most sensitive bits, which, let's get real, is a welcome innovation. This trimmer uses steel blades that stay sharp longer, which further helps reduce nicks and tugs while trimming, especially when combined with the new design with teeth spaced closer together. Even with the closest guard, it won't completely shave, but some users mention the combination pack with a traditional razor as an ideal combo. However, if you're not into the smooth shaved look but want to maintain some length, this trimmer is great. Easy cleaning, long battery life, and wet-dry functionality seal the deal. When it comes to groin trimming, we know that not everyone wants a completely shaved look, which many of the other options out there provide. This trimmer fills that white space by giving you options and functionality designed specifically for your undercarriage. MANSPOT. The sophisticated design of the MANSPOT Manscaped trimmer, tailored for both men and women, facilitates a secure grip even when the device is wet, Its waterproof feature enables utilization in the shower or bath, ensuring effortless trimming and easy cleanup. Ideal for the meticulous grooming of back hair, chest hair, pubic hair, bikini hair, and underarm hair. This electric trimmer swiftly establishes itself as your preferred grooming instrument. Save both time and money with the MANSPOT body trimmer. The 1.5 metal guard proves perfect for those desiring an exceptionally close trim or shave. Your most delicate area deserves optimal care, which is precisely what the MANSPOT Manscaped trimmer delivers. Its hypoallergenic ceramic blades prevent irritation, instilling confidence in your shaving routine. Gently stretching the skin and adopting a deliberate, unhurried pace ensures the best results, providing a heightened sense of comfort and care. Effortlessly tend to your personal grooming needs, cultivating a sense of confidence and presentability each day. Utilize the MANSPOT Manscaped Groin Hair Trimmer for a smoother, more comfortable shave that accentuates your natural charm. VIKICON. Introducing the VIKICON Manscaped Trimmer for Men, the ultimate grooming tool designed for precision and comfort. This IPX7 waterproof ball trimmer ensures a hassle-free grooming experience, allowing for use in the shower and easy cleaning. The integrated light and ceramic blade guarantee precise and efficient trimming for pubic, body, and groin areas, eliminating the risk of nicks and irritation. Crafted for optimal performance, this electric razor features USB-C charging, providing a quick and convenient power-up for on-the-go grooming. The ergonomic designs ensures a comfortable grips, allowing for easy maneuvering and control. The ceramic blade ensures durability and sharpness, delivering a smooth grooming process every time. Give the gift of precision to him, whether it's for dad or anyone special in your life. Elevate the grooming routine with VIKICON Manscaped Trimmer, where innovation meets reliability. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.